Which of the following would be a scientific explanation for what causes the constant changes of the rock cycle? Is it A, solar radiation heats the Earth unevenly, causing different types of rocks to form depending upon the temperature in Earth's atmosphere? Is it B, heat from the core of the Earth generates convection currents in the Earth's interior? These currents drive the movement of tectonic plates, which place huge forces on the rocks in Earth's crust. C, rocks constantly change through chemical reactions with other elements on the surface of Earth, causing atoms to rearrange and form the rock components into new materials. Number 2. A rock may contain fossils because it is A, sedimentary. Fossils are preserved by sediments that make up these rocks. B, igneous. Fossils are preserved by heating and cooling process of magma. C, metamorphic. Petrified fossils crystallize into stone. Number 3. Which of the following are processes that lead to the formation of sedimentary rocks? A, magma intrusions boil up from Earth's interior, heating up the sediment around it and causing the particles to cement together. B, layers of sediment build up, creating pressure on the layers below them, leading to lithification. C, molten rock cools rapidly, trapping gas pockets called vesicles and creating a rough texture. Number 4. Which of the following explains one way that crystals may form in rocks? A, igneous rocks may cool slowly underground, allowing large crystals to form. B, metamorphic rocks contain crystals because they are formed as magma cools. C, igneous rocks are the only types of rocks that form crystals because the others are formed under pressure. Number 5. A rock that is igneous could have the following characteristics. A, it could appear grainy because it is formed from pieces of other rocks. B, it could have large crystals if it cooled slowly as an intrusive igneous rock. C, it would contain bands or layers due to the extreme pressure that creates igneous rocks. Cluster question. Answer the following questions using the scenario below. You find a rock that is very heavy and dense, and you notice that it contains dark bands of shiny mineral crystals that are aligned in the same direction. The rock looks like this. Which of the following type of rock would this be? A, metamorphic. B, igneous. C, sedimentary. Number 7. Which of the following properties is evidence for this type of rock? A, the rock is hard and dense because it was melted and cooled and contains large crystals from cooling and crystallization. B, the rock is hard and dense because it was exposed to heat, but the crystals are foliated in bands because the rock was under pressure. C, the rock is hard and dense because of pressure and cementation, and it has layers because it was under pressure. Answer the following questions using the answer choices below. A, igneous. B, sedimentary. C, metamorphic. Number 8. Chemical precipitation causes crystals to form from water. Number 9. Extreme heat and pressure within Earth's crust causes rocks to change form. 10. Rocks are weathered and eroded into small particles which build up over time, forming layers that become new rock. 11. Magma boils up through layers of Earth's crust, heating up the rocks around it, which change and recrystallize. 12. Magma boils up through layers of Earth's crust, cooling and crystallizing slowly underground and forming into a new rock layer. 13. Can form from lava that has erupted onto Earth's surface and cooled to form rocks. 14. Organic materials from dead organisms build up in layers and become rocks. Number 15. Create a model of the rock cycle using arrows and the vocabulary words from the bank below. Heat, deposition, weathering, melting, sediment, igneous, lithification, erosion, crystallization, compaction, metamorphic, pressure, cementation, magma, and sedimentary.